All right, so for this question, it says a local TV station conducts an instant poll to predict the winner in the upcoming mayoral election. Evening news viewers were invited to the phone in their votes, with the results to be announced on the late night news. Based on the phone calls, the station predicted that whoever would win the election with 52% of the votes, they were wrong. It lost only 46%. It's getting only 46% of the vote. The faulty prediction is more likely to be the result of, it says, selection bias and non-response bias. The answer could be both of them. It could be due to selection bias. It could be due to non-response bias. There are two different biases that could have occurred. So this answer is going to be C. And just so you know, I mean, this kind of explains what selection bias is. Selection bias is when only the people watching the news will respond. So that means that their preferences are the only ones that are going to be considered. Non-response bias means that some people are excluded. And if those people were to be included, the results would have been different. All right. Now let's go to 47. So two types of statistics. The two types of statistics are descriptive and inferential. That's true. Definition question of the two kinds of statistics that we have. All right. So let's look at 48. A watchdog group is investigating how people are treated during the foreclosure process. Surveys were mailed to a random sample of 300 people who had recently been threatened with foreclosure. 75 of the surveys were returned by postal services because the intended recipients had moved on and left no forwarding address. So right here, moved on and left no forwarding address. What type of problem has occurred? This is going to be a non-response bias, right? Because they have moved, they cannot respond. Their response could have influenced the results. So we're going to say the answer is C, non-response bias.